Next in line in our topics is the UI activities property. And this is a very important topic when you are creating automations that are going to use UI elements. So let's take a quick look on the official documentation. So this is the list of UI properties that you have to worry during this exam. The first one is continue on error. And this is self-explanatory, essentially saying if this activity fails, let's just move on to the next step, and I will not throw an error in that case. Delay after and delay before are going to add milliseconds after or before that specific task. So if a specific element on the page is taking more time to load or to get ready, you can add this delay before and after. In some cases, it is very important, very useful. Timeout in milliseconds is the time that the activity is going to wait until it throws an error. So if you are automating a web application and the button that you need to click is not available, the automation is going to wait the specific time that you define inside of the timeout. The default for all the activities is 30 seconds. It is right here. But remember, you can change this on the project level inside of your project properties. The wait for ready property is probably one of the most important properties inside of this UI activity properties, because you can define on the element level what is the behavior of that specific element. If you are going to wait until it's complete, it is ready to be used, or you can just leave the default, which is none, or interactive, that the target app is going to tell the automation whether the UI element is ready or not. I personally like to use the complete, because then I make sure that that element it is ready to be used. Now let's take a quick look on our UiPath Studio and see how this looks like. So here I have my project, and I'm going to use a click activity to demonstrate. I'm going to use the classic one, and I will indicate my element, which is going to be my work items button. And then on my right hand side, I have all the properties that we just saw. Continuing on error, we can define true, false, or leave as default. Delay after and before, the time in milliseconds. And also the timeout in milliseconds that I can redefine and have a higher or lower timeout. And the last one is the wait for ready, that we can select none, interactive, or complete. As I said, I usually use the complete option. So that's about it. These are the UI elements properties. Now let's move on to the next topic.